RPM. You're supposed to cut at that, but if you ain't got it engaged, you're supposed to turn about 38. You got the gauge thing on.
Yes.
You know when it ain't turning all of it.
Right.
If it won't cut about 32, that means either your government going bad or the oil pressure thing ain't pumping enough.
Right.
It ain't pumping enough.